Hello, welcome back to Laser Web. This morning we've got some more motorhome parts on. Shower tray bases. These are the parts that actually fit underneath the fiberglass shower. So as you can tell, here's your wheel arch. But no hole for your shower. That'll go in later when the drill through as a backing. As you can see, all lightweight plywood. Detail we can get down to at Laser Web. No burnt or sooty edges. Absolutely stunning and perfect. 3x2 meters machine, cutting up to 15mm big. Perfectly clean on one side, very few marks, these are wipeable off. There you go. Cutting at 20 milliseconds.